Throughout our history, generations of Boilermakers have left their mark, in small steps and giant leaps. And today, we continue in those footsteps, because the world still faces tough challenges. The adventure still lies ahead. So we keep learning. We keep going. We keep going with every tiny epiphany that comes from the thrill of discovery. We keep going with each unexpected realization that uncovers new knowledge and possibility. We keep going because it's what keeps us going, persistent in our pursuit of innovation, again and again and again. We leave nothing untried, nothing untested, and nothing undone. It's why we work harder here, why we strive to be our best so we can become the best. Because we are the instigators of progress. It's what we live for. And it's what we're here for. Always, always taking the next step together. Because every giant leap starts with one small step. Purdue University, the persistent pursuit